Hey Kurt, do you mind walking me through how to vend something?
I sure can. What kind of machines are you working with?
Looks like vending with coils and lockers with scales.
Okay. So let's say that you're working and you realize that you need new gloves. Do you walk halfway across your facility? No. Just head over to the nearest vending machine and swipe your badge or ID card. It'll prompt you for what you want to vend. So you'll just look at where the item is in the machine, you'll note the location, and you'll say, okay, the gloves that I want are in slot 32. You'll just punch it in and it'll drop down just like any other vending machine. You grab it and you go. It's a little bit different for scaled lockers, but it's the same idea. Except instead of the item going anywhere, you just open up the locker and you take the item out. Now, if you need more than one of an item, that's where the scaled part of the locker comes in handy because it'll note how many you took, it'll know because of the scale, and then it'll report it back. You don't have to fill out a sheet or enter a quantity or anything like
Nice. Okay, so companies like vending because it makes their lives easier. But why would employees like vending?
that. It's the same answer, actually. It makes their lives easier. If you're at work and you have to walk over to a tool crib, wait for someone to handle the finding the thing that you need, handing it over to you, you got to sign a sheet, enter the amount, walk back. It gets to be a lot. So vending is all about ease of use. You always know where your next pair of glasses are. You never have to wait at a crib for gear, and you don't run out of what you need. I should expand on why you don't run out. You don't run out because Fastenal's team is there and they know that the inventory levels are getting low. So they come back and they restock it before they even run out.
That's cool and that makes complete sense. But now that we're talking through this, would an employee be able to vend out all gloves and glasses all at once just in one vending machine?
No, there are limits. It's designed to let people take a reasonable number of gloves or glasses. And if they need more, they can talk to whoever's in charge of the machines on their site, usually a supervisor of some sort. And really, talking to a supervisor should be a pretty rare occurrence. Most of the limits are set at good levels for each facility. So you'd only really need to talk to a supervisor if there were a moment where a lot of people are using the same thing. So a moment of high use, or there's an error, or something uncommon like that.
Awesome. That makes complete sense. Thanks for walking me through all that today. Anything else I should know about vending?
Not off the top of my head. So if anybody does have questions, though, just reach out to an on-site supervisor, and they'll either have the answer themselves or they'll know who to ask at Fastenal for help.